If you're looking for Clarkson, look to the north of ordinary.
A university experience miles past average and far beyond expectation.
Because whether you're discovering a breakthrough,
Collaborating across fields,
or expanding your horizons, you'll find faster growth with a hands-on curriculum and a hands-in culture.
where you can make a real impact from day one.
And it's not just the results that set us apart. It's the way we work for them.
Progress over perfection.
Purpose over pretense.
Equals over egos.
Never you.
Never me.
Always us.
Because we know we go further as a team.
And that's how our students today become thinkers, doers, and leaders tomorrow.
We are Clarkson University.
And what we do is always north of ordinary.